Hey, how's it going? This is Martin Ross, and I want to make a quick update for you guys right now. So, just a heads up, I've been out for a few months, but I'm back trying to send off all these videos that I recorded. Editing takes so much time, and unfortunately, I do not make a living off YouTube. I do have a day job, and peak season has been killer due to the fact that the coronavirus is down and more people want to get out and do shows. So, please bear in mind that editing videos is not as simple as a lot of people say, and the quality of work that I want to give you a professional level of quality, or at least the best of my abilities, rather than just throw in a quick recording and have everything all over the place. So just keep that in mind. Also, going forward, Tuesdays and Fridays are my upload dates for these previously recorded videos. A lot of them will be beat remakes because in 2020, during the pandemic, I only had my laptop, and I was working on my sample libraries, and I made a lot of remakes, and I wanted to test my sound library out, make sure it sounds right with those samples. And I want you guys to see those beat remakes so you can enjoy those as much as I did. So keep that in mind. Again, Tuesdays and Fridays will be the upload dates. I'll try to throw things in between that as best I can with the amount of time I'm going to be trying to get, just to finish up editing all these videos and uploading them to you. Also, I see your comments. I'm getting to everybody as much as I can. Requests, just as a reminder, those requests are in a queue list, so it's going to take some time to get to, but I'm going to get to them. I'm going to do my best at the end of the year to get to as much as I can. Also, my Zource sound library is out. It's based on 90s and 2000s sounds, so if you're following my channel and you are a subscriber, then you know that these are probably the samples you're looking for if you are a producer or if you're into the music, because most of my beat remakes come from those times and a lot of people requested them. So again, Zource VibeZ is now out, link in the description. It's based off 90s and 2000s samples. You can get the sample pack, or you can get the pack made for Contact Machine and Reason. So check that out. I'll have that all in my link in my description with my store. Also, my Instagram. My Instagram is more active than my YouTube because Instagram, I don't try to do as much professional things as I do with YouTube. So it takes a lot less time to do. So if you haven't followed me, head on over there to at I am Martin Ross. Again, that's all in the description. But before I go, I want to thank everybody for subscribing. For the months I've been out, I've reached over 700 subscribers. 700! I want to thank you guys for sticking with me, sending me emails or direct messages, or trying to get to me. And I apologize for the few that I haven't gotten to. I know who you are. I will get to you. I promise. It's just this peak season hit me so fast. So it's amazing to see that you guys have subscribed and are out there. You know, I see people interacting, you know, on my channel. I really appreciate that. 700 up, that means so much. So if you are new to this channel and you're just watching, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to get instant updates on your mobile or phone or mobile device, whatever. If you like music tutorials, how-tos, if you like beats and stuff like that, this is the page for you. So thank you all so much for checking me out. This is Martin Ross. Take it easy.